everyone, it's me Deepa and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to bake a ham. Now I have never ever baked a ham before. I have never even eaten a ham. I don't even eat ham. So that's why this video is so interesting. I've never done it before, so I was looking at a ton of videos and a lot of recipes and reading a lot to figure out the perfect way to make a ham, and I'm going to attempt this. Now I got this boneless picnic ham. I don't know if this is a good one, but to be honest, I just went to Extra Foods and yeah, I was like scoping out people's carts. I'm not proud of it, but I did it anyway. And everyone who bought ham, they basically bought this one from Great Foods, and it says easy bake ham, boneless, hickory smoked. I like the sound of that. So I don't know, I just took this one up because I saw everybody buying it, so I figured this must be a really good one. So I took this and now I'm going to attempt to bake it. Now I'm going to use my friend Trini Cooking with Natasha's method of making her ham. So I love the fact that she starts off her video. I have my laptop right here and I'm looking at her video while I'm doing it. Tash, thank you so much for that video, because I had no idea how to make this ham. So it has helped. So I love the idea that in the beginning she boiled her ham a little to get out that excess salt, which I like. So obviously Deems is going to eat this ham. I can't eat ham, my mom doesn't eat ham, so he's going to eat the ham, and he has high blood pressure, so I think the extra salt to get it out would be a good idea. So I'm going to do the same thing. So I have my pot on the stove. It is, you can see it steaming here. I don't know if you all can see it, but it is already boiling, and I'm going to rest my ham into that pot and leave it to boil for 30 minutes, just as Natasha said. Yeah, let me just confirm that's what she said.
Baked Christmas ham, and here I have a piece of lamb ham leg. This is a 10-pound piece. Now,
I'm not kidding. I'm looking at her. I'm looking at her video.
Take away some of that salt, because sometimes it's very salty. So I like to boil it for like 30 minutes to 45 minutes.
30 to 45 minutes. Okay, so because the ham actually, it says on the packet easy bake, I'm thinking that I may not have to go to the 45 minutes. So I'm going to boil mine for 30 minutes. And yeah, and then I'm going to follow the rest, whatever Natasha is doing. But the ingredients that I'm using is a little bit different from hers, because I love the idea of pineapple. So, and I think it looks pretty, and you all know I love to make my food look pretty. So I just figured I'll use pineapple and stuff on it because it looks fancy. So I'm going to change up the ingredients that she's using, but I am using her method, which is pretty simple and so awesome. Thank you, Tash. I'm so excited to try your recipe, your method of making Trini ham. Oh, and then before I take you over to my pot, let me just add. So I've been told you cannot have ham without hops bread. So mommy has agreed. Okay, I swear I know all of you probably think this, but my mother makes the best bread ever in life. She is like a bread pro. So she has agreed to actually make this bread. She doesn't want to be shown on camera. I hope she changes her mind when she comes down here. But she's going to bake some fresh hops bread to go with this ham. So stay tuned. We're going over to the pot now. I'm going to take my ham out of this packet. I'm going to cut it open, take it out, and I'm going to place it into that hot water. Okay guys, so in goes my ham for 30 minutes.
So now this goes into your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, uncovered, and bake it according to how long you would bake it, for those of you who know how to.
Okay, alright, so here we go. I am going to preheat my oven meanwhile. My glaze, it is very simple. I'm not going to cook this for very long. I'm just going to add all my ingredients, my sugar, my honey, my lime, cinnamon, and my pineapple. This is actually very simple. I don't think this recipe is very difficult at all. So let's just see the finished product. I can't wait to see how this actually turns out. my stove on. I'm just going to wait for my sugar to dissolve. Okay guys, so my glaze is finished. I'm gonna just empty it into this bowl. And it smells so nice. So my ham is finished. I'm going to drain it. Smells really good. I feel like eating ham now. My ham here. Ooh. Wow. Nice and steamy. And now I am going to start placing my my clove. So now I have my ham. The next thing I have to pick that I've been soaking, and I'm going to start putting my pineapple. Okay, so my ham is all prepared, and Natasha says to bake it at 350 degrees uncovered for about an hour and a half, and to keep basting it with our glaze here. So I'm gonna pour my glaze over this now, and then while it's baking, I'm gonna take the same juices that would be now at the bottom of my dish and keep basting it. It sounds so good. I'm gonna take a little bit of my glaze and just pour it all over my ham. Oh my god, this looks good. I used to eat meat. I loved turkey, so every year I would bake an entire turkey just for me and slice them up and freeze them. So I would love to share a turkey recipe with you guys, but no one in my house eats it. So I would be basically baking this, and I have no idea what to do with it. So if you guys want to sponsor a turkey, I'll come to your house and I would make you that turkey, okay? So anyway, I have my ham here. Oh my god, it looks so bad. And according to Trini Cooking with Natasha, she says bake it uncovered an hour and a half, keep basting it, and 350 degrees. So I'm going to do that, and let's see how it goes. So I will show you little clips of what I'm doing throughout my 1 hour and a half, and hopefully this comes out really good. So I can't wait to show you guys the end result. And meanwhile, I'm waiting for mommy to come. She is going to whip up her bread. I'm not good with baking too much. I could do a little, but she's really good. So yeah, let's wait for mommy and let's get this baked. The smells are so good. Okay guys, so mommy is here and we are going to make bread. She's shy, she don't want to be on the camera, but you know how mothers usually cook, they just put and put and put. So I'm trying to convince her to use measuring cups. So let's see how this goes. So how much are you going to use, mommy?
I think 5 cups.
5 cups?
Yep. 2, 3, 4,
5. You sure I good?
Yeah.
And
Okay.
leave, and you're gonna leave a little bit for dusting. If that's
Yeah.
that's 6 then.
Yeah.
Okay, 6 then. Okay. So what are we doing next?
Throwing these.
Okay, so we're going to add the yeast.
Add.
1 pack of yeast. I'm gonna bring this in the light a little bit. And what we're gonna add now?
Sugar.
How much sugar is this? 1 cup of sugar?
Yeah.
1 cup of sugar.
It is hard.
Okay, she decided to use 3/4 cup of sugar.
Right.
And now she's using 1 pack of coconut milk.
Mixing in the butter into the dry ingredients.
Okay, people, she real shy, so I'll talk.
I don't like
What
this.
she wants to do, what she trying to do is rub the butter into the flour. You don't want any clumps of butter remaining. So you want to sort of massage that butter into the flour. So mommy likes to use healthy stuff in her dough. So today we're going to use flax, 1/2 cup of flax.
Okay.
Sometimes she adds bran and oats and all sorts of stuff, but we're keeping it simple today. We're just going to add some flax to it. Next, she's going to add warm water. Enough warm water to form a firm dough. No, it's firm or kind of light and fluffy?
Yeah.
Sort of light and fluffy. I don't know what that means, guys. I can't really help you all out there. They know what they're looking for in terms of texture. I have tried this a million times and I cannot make bread, but I guess it's the way in which they knead, and I'm sure all of your mummies are the same. So they have like a special kneading technique that I can't explain. I wish I could show you all her face right now, but she's real serious about it. She says that I didn't wax her eyebrows, so she can't be on camera. So it's my fault. She said she needed a little dry flour.
Because
Why?
It's a little sticky.
Oh,
Yeah.
a little too sticky.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I don't know how much you want to add.
Remember.
So now she's covering it nice and tight. Okay guys, so the dough has doubled in size. Mommy, what are we going to do now?
You're going to make the little hops.
Little dough balls.
The little dough balls.
So
Put
we're
them in the
taking this
tray.
out now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to take this out now.
Show them that lots of bread.
It looks good.
Ooh.
It's nice and spongy.
I feel like
Oh, look how cute. Nice. Perfect. So, can it look pretty? Okay guys, so our bread has doubled in size and now we're going to put it into the oven at 350 degrees for about, how long, Mommy? About 20 minutes? It's about half an hour or so. Okay, for your burning Hannah. Alright, beautiful. smelling so nice. Tasting good? It has like a taste and sweet. It has a sweetness. Like a taste and sweetness.
Yeah.
And saltiness.
Yep.
What about a little pineapple flavor? Not so much?
Not so much.
Okay. So you ready for some hops on this?
Yep.
Alright, we're waiting on hops. God, it smells so good. I feel like I want.